Welcome back to Closing Arguments. It's that time in our show when we reveal something else you need to know. Today in Tampa, Florida, a very high-profile defamation case. Markle versus Markle. Meghan Markle's half-sister Samantha suing the Duchess for apparently telling Oprah Winfrey that she grew up an only child. A Tampa federal judge held a hearing in the case today to decide if the lawsuit will move forward. No decision yet tonight. The judge is going to be issuing a written order. But to break down what this defamation case is all about, we're bringing in an expert, a royal reporter, the host of To Die For Daily Royal podcast, and the author of R is for Revenge Dress, Kinsey Schofield. Kinsey, good to see you, my friend. What is this one all about?
This is wild, Julie. According to the suit, Samantha's team is arguing that Meghan's on-camera comments on the Oprah Winfrey program and on her Netflix docuseries hurt the sales of Samantha's book by spreading malicious, hurtful, and damaging lies. Now, Meghan said outside of the Tampa courtroom today that she's optimistic she'll win this defamation case. I've spoken to individuals inside the courtroom that says Judge Honeywell was very engaged. She asked, why would Meghan Markle be responsible for negative comments made about Samantha by other individuals in the Netflix docuseries? Sam's team was quick to point out that Meghan's R12 Productions produced the Netflix series, so Meghan likely had final say. You know, translation, she was the publisher of that docuseries. If the judge gives the go-ahead, Meghan has until January 2nd to undergo discovery, which could be Meghan handing over private text messages, emails, and other documents related to the case. If this all moves forward, and you just said we'll know within the next month or so, the judge will let us know, a trial date would likely be set around July of 2024.
Oh boy, I mean, this is a big deal. If the Duchess were to be in federal court in the United States of America as a defendant in this lawsuit. Kinsey, you know all the history with them. Kind of get us caught up. What was the relationship like, and when did it turn sour?
Well, what we found out today, which I'd never heard before, was, you know, for instance, you said that Meghan told Oprah Winfrey that she grew up an only child. Well, what Samantha told the judge today was that she lived right next door to Meghan and actually drove her to school when she was older. And so we're finding out that maybe there was more of a relationship than we originally knew. Things went south when we found out that Meghan Markle was dating Prince Harry. I think Meghan was unhappy with the fact that her sister and her half-sister and her half-brother were talking to media, and she immediately started to distance herself. She did not invite them to the big royal wedding. However, we saw George Clooney invited and Oprah Winfrey and you know, big celebrities, but her half-siblings didn't get the invite. And I think that that's when they, you know, started to be kind of venomous in the media about Meghan, and Meghan's pushed back to say, I really don't have a relationship with them. This has really destroyed their credibility and limited, as far as Samantha is concerned, limited their way to monetize off of that relationship with their sister.
Sure. Wow, Kinsey, this is fascinating. So it seems kind of like Samantha may be feeling unseen, maybe feeling a bit cheated here. Like, if it is true, hey, I helped raise her. I was very instrumental in her life and shaping her to be the woman that she is now, and she feels like she's been denied publicly. Meghan Markle, though, sticking to her guns, not coming off of this, going so far as to try to get this thing tossed. I understood it was tossed initially once and there was a refile. Is that right?
Yes, that is correct. And what was tossed was the idea that Meghan helped with the book Finding Freedom. And to give you some insight on that, Finding Freedom, this book by Omid Scobie, Samantha had filed saying that there were, you know, that was liable. Meghan had helped him with that book. However, the judge said, while there is proof that Meghan helped him with that book, Meghan was not the publisher. That was, you know, if Samantha wanted to sue somebody for that, she needed to go after the publisher of that book, which is why this Netflix claim is so important, because Samantha's attorneys are saying, look, Meghan produced this docuseries. Meghan, in this scenario, is the publisher. In Finding Freedom, Meghan told Omid Scobie through a third party that Samantha wasn't a very good mother, and some other, kind of very hurtful comments about her half-sister. I just think in this particular case, because I was glued to your Johnny Depp and Amber Heard coverage, and I think that this is Samantha just trying to save her reputation.
Maybe, and fair enough. We know there are remedies for that if she does have a viable action here. Kinsey Schofield, I'm so glad we had you on the show tonight. I knew you'd have all the answers. Thank you so much. We'll see you soon.